Hey there, the team over at WORKPRO sent over one of their raised bed kits for me to put together and try out for you guys. Now, it may look a little bit unfinished here because I haven't quite decided where I want it. For this year, it's gonna be here, so I've transplanted some Japanese maple seedlings because they'll have to be moved at some point. And I've got some herbs in here just to show you guys how much you can put in here. Let's take a look at how easy it is to put together. To put together the raised bed, I simply got everything out of the box and arranged it so I knew what I was looking at. Then I separated all the bolts from the wing nuts just to make it easy. I attached the straight panels to each other with the wing nuts and bolts and tightened them loosely. Then repeated the process with the corner panels, again loosely tightening the bolts. Then I attached the straight panel to the corner panels. Once all the panels were together, I tightened the bolts and wing nuts completely by hand. Finally, I put the rubber edging around the top, cutting it to fit. It really did not take a lot of time for me to put this all together, maybe about 15 minutes, and all of those screws and wing nuts may seem daunting, but don't let that bother you. It went together super simple. A few things to note about the design that I like is that it doesn't have a bottom, which means I can move this without all that extra weight on the bottom. It's also super easy to empty the dirt out. If I don't want the dirt that's currently in here, I can just lift the whole thing off around it. I did layer the bottom with some brown packing paper to hopefully prevent some of the weeds from trying to come up through there as this is sitting right on the ground. Also, during the assembly, I tried to make sure all the wing nuts were as straight across as I could, especially along the top. That'll hopefully help from me bumping into them if I'm down in here moving stuff around. It'll be a straight hit instead of it poking me because it's up and down. I really think this WORKPRO raised bed is great for small areas or for someone who's just starting out with a little bit of gardening because it's not a lot of space, but it's more space than having one or two little pots. If you are looking at an easy way to continue container gardening or starting a new one, then I hope this video helps you decide on if this product is a good product for you.